Kinder Joy. Look at this one, Michael. Let's find some Hot Wheels. This one looks nice. Woo! We have the treasure hunt. Okay. So guys, when you have the silver circle with flame, that means you have the treasure hunt, and you can see the symbol here as well. Let's have a look. Do we find something more interesting? Cherry and okay. There's one more line. That's one. Looks nice as well. Okay, we have some monster truck, some matchbox, and we have the box. Wow, metal one. We can try something now. It's okay. So this one we put here. Let's have a look what we can find today as well. Ooh. This Porsche looks nice. Power. Okay. So we do these two lines now. And we can quick check. Nice color. This Chevy. Same. Aston Martin. Looks really nice. Chevy Impala. Always classic. Jasne, mamy jeszcze to. Cadillac. Nice. Okay. Lamborghini Mirai. Nice. Okay. we have something more. Oh, the bus. Anti-frame. Looks very nice. Another bus. School shaker. It's one treasure hunt, and that's it. Nothing else. Okay, same. Ford Bronco. Kit. Okay, so check this one already. Same. Okay. There's only one treasure hunt. We can back all of them. Just remember to never do the mess. Always, when you finish hunting, just clean. For the other lads who go to trade cars, yeah? Looks more professional when you clean the cars after here. So nothing special. There's 3 cars left here, but this one go with me today. And we have some 5 packs. Let's have it. Same, and retro racers, okay. Some monster truck as well in St. John's.